What's up, Wanderers? It is time for another one-take review, and this time we are doing 5 EDC items that you need to know about according to me. All right, so let's start with the tried and true. We're talking about pocket knives. And in this case, I'm going to introduce you to the knife that I carry every single day. This knife is from Kershaw, and it is dirt cheap. I use it every day. It is simple. There's nothing to it. It is no frills. Clips onto my pocket really nicely. Extremely satisfying, and it is great to carry. So I'm going to link all these products in the comments. This is just a nice little folder. You can see the tab here for opening from Kershaw. So that's item number 1. Item number 2, a good multi-tool. The one I'm going to recommend is from Leatherman, and this is a custom Leatherman. And you can see here, this is the Wingman with a custom topo design. Sorry, Topo Designs. But this is not the Topo Designs collab they did recently, but a topographic pattern on the Leatherman Wingman. Love this multi-tool. I just find that it feels good in the hands, and it is smaller than some of the others, compact and easy to carry. So this is a good recommendation, and I'm going to again link it in the video description and the comments. Now we're going to get into the territory that not everybody will have known about. So another item that I find to be incredibly useful is this. Not just a carabiner, but the Hero Clip. Okay, so what is the Hero Clip? The Hero Clip is a carabiner that doubles as a hook. And so I find myself using this in any places where I need to hang up my bag, hang up a toiletry kit, hang up a coat, etc. You can just loop this over, say, a restroom stall, onto a fence post, etc. And very easily hang any item. This will hold hundreds of pounds. And you can see it is, again, from Hero Clip, and they make multiple different colors. This is the one that I liked, but I just clip this to a bag. Weighs nothing. Good to have around. Now let's talk tech. So if you're going to talk tech, and if you're going to carry tech, then the item that you're going to be talking about the most is cords, bricks, chargers, etc. So I wanted to talk to you about my favorite power bricks, and I also wanted to talk to you about my favorite cords. So you can see here, this is a cable from Native Union, and it is really high quality, very nice, threaded. This is cloth material, and then has a leather clasp. I've carried one of these for years. This is a lightning cable, and you just unhook, rehook. A little bit more expensive, but they last forever. Really enjoy that. This one is magnetic, and you can stick it 2 places, and also it rewinds itself. So really neat. Less mess with a magnetic cord. You can get these off Amazon. Again, I will link this item in the video description. Always have a couple of these with me. Now let's talk power bricks. So we've got my 2 favorite power bricks in this video. This one is really neat. It is the Nano from Anchor, and looks pretty standard, right? What you have going on here that is really special is it is a 100-watt charger, and this thing is super, super small. So size comparison, smaller than the Leatherman Wingman in length. Okay, so the selling point on this, super tiny, super tiny. That's the Nano 100-watt from Anchor. Pretty expensive, but worth the price to not carry around a gigantic MacBook charger. What's so special about this one? This one is not 100 watts, but this one is pretty cool because of this. Look. So when you plug this in, not only does it charge your devices, but it also has a battery backup in here. So you fold it down, and not only are you carrying your charger, but you're carrying a backup battery. And so this is a 10,000, forget the unit, MAPH, I can't remember, but 10,000 watt battery backup that you can bring with you that charges your devices. So that's it for now, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks. Please like the video and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed seeing these everyday carry items, and let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this and not just backpack reviews. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you next time.